Hey gearheads and cycling enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a spin, pun intended, with the Pinarello Dogma F12, a bike that deserves a spot next to any Ferrari. This machine is all about peak performance, cutting-edge tech, and head-turning looks. So, whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just appreciate beautiful engineering, buckle up. Key features: performance. Imagine a bike that feels like an extension of your body. That's the Dogma F12. The frame is crafted from lightweight, ultra-stiff carbon fiber. Think of it like a race car chassis, a super strong, minimal weight. This translates to explosive acceleration and effortless climbing. Every pedal stroke feels like pure power going straight to the wheels. Speaking of handling, the Dogma F12 is like a laser on wheels. The oversized tubes and design keep you rock solid when carving corners or battling strong winds. It inspires confidence no matter how fast you push it. But unlike some super stiff bikes, the Dogma F12 doesn't punish your body. Pinarello uses clever tricks like strategically placed vibration dampeners to soak up road bumps. It's surprisingly comfortable, even on long rides. Design unique selling points. Now, let's talk about that head-turning design. The Dogma F12 is a real showstopper. The aggressive frame screams speed, and the integrated fork flap technology looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But it's not just for aesthetics, it actually reduces wind resistance, giving you a free speed boost. Another unique feature? The 3D printed titanium seat post clamp. It's a tiny detail, but it showcases Pinarello's dedication to innovation and keeping weight to a minimum. Plus, it just looks incredibly cool. The biggest selling point, however, might be the heritage. This is the bike ridden by Team Ineos, winners of countless Tour de France titles. Owning a Dogma F12 is like owning a piece of cycling history, a machine built to dominate the toughest races on Earth. Wrap up. The Pinarello Dogma F12 is like the Ferrari of road bikes. It's lightweight, stiff, comfortable, aerodynamic, and undeniably gorgeous. But let's be honest, it also comes with a Ferrari-sized price tag. So, is the Dogma F12 the right choice for you? If you're a serious cyclist who demands top-of-the-line performance, then this could be your dream machine. If you're a casual rider, there are fantastic bikes at every budget. Call to action. Let me know in the comments what kind of bikes you'd like to see reviewed next. And remember, even if you can't afford a Ferrari on two wheels, there's a perfect bike out there waiting to take you on amazing adventures. Keep riding.